Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing in and heading straight to your profile area. This is where the picture lives. Once logged in, click or tap the profile icon in the top right and open Settings or Manage Account. Make sure your browser or app has camera and file permissions enabled so uploads work smoothly. If you're on mobile, have the image ready in Photos. On desktop, open the folder containing the image. This gets you to the exact controls for changing the picture. Now choose Change Photo or Upload New Image and decide whether to pick a file or capture a fresh photo. When you upload, select a JPG or PNG with a clear face or logo. These formats load reliably. After selecting, use the crop and rotate tools to frame the subject and make sure it fits the circular preview. Take a moment to check lighting and alignment. Good contrast makes the picture readable at small sizes. Once it looks right, press Save or Apply. Finish by confirming the update and refreshing the app or browser to see the new picture in context. If the image doesn't appear, make sure to clear cache or sign out and sign back in. Alternatively, re-export the file at a smaller size under 5 MB and re-upload. If you get a permission or format error despite correct steps, check device privacy settings for camera and storage access. And if problems persist, contact support with a screenshot so they can diagnose the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.